that you're 40 days away from your wedding and you discover that your DJ is a scam.
Like discovering your DJ is a con artist.
Like guys, this is a story of a bride which I'm going to share with you today to help you to avoid similar nightmares. Here is how the story unfolded. She had put down $130 to book this DJ who appeared to be incredibly professional. His social media handles were looking stunning and outstanding, showing pictures and videos of weddings that he supposedly DJ'd. But something didn't sit right with her, so she dug deeper. Her first deep dive and red flag that she discovered was lack of professional photos. All the pictures and videos on his page didn't show his face or his DJ boots. All the videos and pictures that he posted on his page were generic photos, giving an illusion that he was at this event. She then went on to do a Google search on this DJ to find out how legitimate or if he actually even existed. But then again guys, she found nothing, because the pictures that he provided in his page or on his social media platform that he gave to her at that time didn't have any personal touch to it. Then she went again to read about Google reviews on this guy's page, and out of the 15 reviews that popped up for this guy, 2 stood out for her. One said he didn't turn up. The other review then said that he claimed that he had a car accident and then went ahead to block them. That was when the bride knew that she had a long ride to go with this DJ, which was also a major red flag for her. One evening, she was scrolling through his social media page again and she discovered that there was something odd about his page. And as time went on guys, and the day to her wedding was gradually coming closer, she still felt uneasy about the reviews that she had read about this DJ. So she started to conduct a reverse image search on this DJ using the images that he provided on his social media platform. And to her greatest surprise, she found out that these pictures were stolen from various wedding websites. Oh my god, this is very alarming. And she decided to contact one of the legitimate DJs that his pictures popped up on her search, and the DJ that she contacted claimed that he had no affiliation to this said DJ that was claiming those events and that he didn't know him from anywhere. She was very devastated to hear about this. This DJ that she had already paid was obviously using the pictures and videos from this guy's wedding website, and for her, that was enough for her to think that he was real. But unfortunately for her, he wasn't. And she had just realized that this DJ was a scam. And the scammer DJ has stolen all the pictures and videos that he had put on his social media platform. Oh no, this is very heartbreaking. When I read about it, I was like, oh no, like I can't believe that this bride saw this red flag and still went ahead and paid him 10%. I mean, that should have been a reason for her to ask him, why should I pay you through PayPal? Why not through your bank account? That's an easier way to trace this DJ.
Like deja, I swear they sound the same. It's like they're on my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him. And it goes like this.
So guys, if you're planning your wedding, I'm sharing this story with you as a cautionary tale to help you avoid falling a victim of such scammer DJs. Here are some tips to help you avoid similar traps. Number 1 guys, be vigilant. Check for personal branding. Ensure that the person's face and personal brand are consistent across his platform. Make sure that you use tools like reverse image search to check whether the vendor's face appears elsewhere online. Verify reviews guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. And if possible, contact the previous clients of this vendor. This third tip guys is really important, which is for you to use a secured payment method. Avoid paying with cash and use things like credit cards or a trusted third-party service, which is also going to help you to trace this vendor if anything goes wrong. The next tip, guys, is for you to verify identity. Ask for things like live chats through video calls or even contacting the real business if they claim that their brand is well known. Make sure to read your contract, guys. Look out for things like contact information for the service and things like cancellation and refund policies. So there you have it, guys, my tip of helping you plan your wedding and finding a DJ without having to worry about being scammed or your DJ not turning up. My personal opinion is that when looking for a DJ, the best way to find a good DJ is through recommendation or trusted reviews, guys. I cannot emphasize trusted reviews enough. Or even when you attend an event and a DJ is playing and you like the way that DJ has played, then you can go ahead and contract that DJ for your event. So guys, the story of this bride I have shared with you in this video is one that helps us to be vigilant when planning our wedding. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification so you never miss out on any new uploads. If you have any thoughts or comments, please share them with me at the comment section and I will sure do well to engage with all your comments. Thank you for watching.